This is a high-use park. It's a high-use area. We're delighted that it's so popular with people. Splash pad hours are from 10 a.m. till 8 p.m. These two pavilions at the Ralston Central Park are not reservable. It's on a first-come, first-served basis. We're asking parks users to just use up a table or two and not go beyond that. We have 22 trash cans at both of these pavilions, and they tend to fill up pretty quickly. Anything that citizens could do to pack in, pack out, especially the really bulky boxes, food trays, that kind of thing. Anything you can do to help us out. We enjoy watching kids have fun out here and enjoying the facility.